Well, hey, Busters. Hey, I got a really good question from Marilyn5208. She was asking, how do you decide when to use Sinew or when to use kite string? You know, you don't know what you don't know until someone tells you, and so that's what I'm here to do. Well, hi, YouTube, and welcome back to all my Buster buddies. Hey, it's your big kahuna here, Brad, and this is Brad's Boredom Busters, your tie-dye art channel. Yes, Marilyn wanted to know how you decide when to use Sinew or when to use kite string. And so I've got several notes here. I'm going to go over just that. I know a lot of my subscribers are experienced tie-dyers, but I do have many beginners that want to learn how to do it and want to learn how to do it the right way. And so this video is for you guys that needs a little explanation on when to use Sinew or when to use kite string or rubber bands. Because I find that kite string and rubber bands sometimes are interchangeable. So let me go over certain criteria for using which item. All right. So let's talk about why you would use Sinew over kite string and rubber bands. So Sinew, when you use it, Sinew is a wax-coated fibrous cord. And most of it that you get nowadays is artificial. It used to be made actually out of animal parts to make Sinew. But now it's mostly artificial and still wax coated though. And because it's wax coated, it acts as a resist to the dye. And so you would use it in patterns that you want to have a defined white line in certain patterns. So, well, let's go over that, seeing we're talking about the Sinew. Let's talk about patterns that you would use that on. So you'd use it in most all mandalas. You'd use it in a Ronstar, in a lightning bolt shirt. You would use it in any picture pattern that you're doing, such as a mushroom or an alien head or sea turtle or dragonfly or anything like that. So that's when you would use the Sinew to create that definition of the pattern. Even if you're ice dyeing, you could still use the Sinew. I've done many videos on ice dyeing different types of mandalas or Ronstars, and they still come out with that definition that the Sinew gives you. So that's when you would use Sinew, is when you want that sort of definition. So now when you use kite string or rubber bands, those patterns would be also have definition to them. The patterns can be distinct, but they don't have that sort of definition of the white line. So, for example, patterns that you would use the kite string or rubber bands on would be any scrunch pattern, any spiral, any wigwag or peace sign, for example. The yin yang is also a good pattern for just the rubber bands or kite string. Also, star flowers, inclined fan folds. Those patterns can all be tied up with kite string and or rubber bands. Now, if you want to be creative, and because tie-dye is really up to your imagination. So the shirt that I'm wearing is a star flower, but when I did the airplane fold, before I rolled it up, I used some Sinew to create a mandala here in the center of it, and then rolled it up and tied it up with kite string and or rubber bands. And that gives you then your star flower pattern, but it has now a mandala in the center. So you can use the material in conjunction with each other to create something that's unique. So Marilyn, I hope that does explain it more concisely. I know I did answer your comment when you made it, but I thought it was a good subject for a video. So I thank you for sparking the inspiration for this video. And like I say, I hope visually this gives you a little better grasp on when you should use kite string and or rubber bands or sinew, or both at the same time. Well, if you're interested in any of the materials that I use in my videos, be it chemicals or shirts or tools, so please visit the affiliate links. They're down in the description below. You can grab anything you need there. That helps out my channel and doesn't cost you any extra. And I appreciate all the love that you give me, and I give it right back to you. And if you have any other thoughts about when to use kite string, rubber bands, or sinew, leave me some comments. Everyone would be happy to share and learn from each other. And so that would be a great thing to do. So leave me some comments. And if you like this video, share it around. That helps me out a lot. And you've made it this far into the video, so you must like what you see. So why don't you go ahead and subscribe now? And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos in the future. I will have a lot of interesting and cool content coming up. Well, thanks all for watching. Love my subscribers. Peace out, baby, and go have fun tie-dyeing. Okay. Okay. Those are all done. Okay, so there's our sea turtle tied up. Got our shell. This is the shell, the head, side fin, bottom fin. All right, there is our tie up. Get it flattened out here a little bit.